The Mississippi. Not just the name of the 20th US state. Not just one of those words 94% of kids balls up at the spelling bee, but the name of one of the world's longest and most famous rivers, stretching 2,300 miles from the state of Minnesota down to the Gulf of Mexico. The Mississippi River and its considerable number of tributaries touch 2 Canadian provinces and 31 pissing states, and one of those is the state of Missouri. And we concluded our trip to St. Louis by checking a big item off our bucket list, taking a boat ride on the Mississippi River.
I was thinking that from St. Louis, this represents the one way I could get to England via water. It'd be a very roundabout way. What if I left here via the Mississippi, came out of the Gulf of Mexico, entered into the Atlantic, and then entered Southampton at sort of, I don't know, 3 weeks from now? That would be quite a unique way of getting home.
As you can see, the Mississippi is one wide-arse body of water and a little on the brown side, but the ride alongside the city skyline was exceedingly pleasant and quite possibly the perfect way to round off our visit.
Why hello there. This episode of Finding America was funded in its entirety by our patrons at patreon.com/lostinthepond. So if you would like to see me visit your state and make an episode about it, why not pledge yourself? You can do so by clicking this button right here. Yeah, there, we'll put it there. Or by going to patreon.com/lostinthepond. Who knows, your city or state could be next. Thank you.